The way your network is structured can completely change how it performs. And I know we usually focus on bandwidth, configs, or security, but the topology is what lays the foundation for everything. And there are 6 really common topologies in networking, each with their own strengths and trade-offs. So let's walk through them one by one, what they are, how they work, and when you'd actually use them in the real world. Now, the point-to-point topology is the most basic. There's 2 devices connected directly to each other. One sends and one receives. It's super simple, and you'll see it in things like leased lines or server-to-server links, but obviously it doesn't really scale. The star topology is also very common, especially in offices. There's one central hub or switch that connects everything, and if one device drops, it's not a big deal, but if that central switch fails, everything will go offline because it's your single point of failure. The bus topology is pretty old school, and all devices share one backbone cable. This is cheap and easy to set up, but if traffic spikes, things will start to slow down. And if you have issues with that one cable, so will your network. In a mesh topology, there's a couple different ways that you can connect devices. In a full mesh, every device is connected to every other device. This is super redundant because there's no single point of failure, but it's complex and expensive to maintain. So usually what we'll see instead is a partial mesh where only the critical stuff is connected redundantly. In a ring topology, your connections form a loop. So each device connects to 2 others. The data is going to flow in one direction, and it's clean and efficient. But if one link fails, the whole loop can break unless you've got redundancy already built in. And last but not least, the tree topology is a hybrid. It's kind of like a layered mix between star and bus. This is great for scaling and organizing large networks, but it's much harder to reconfigure. And if something fails near the root, it can take down a whole chunk of your network. So yeah, no single topology is perfect, and that's why most real-world setups are hybrids. You use what makes sense where, based on the thing you're trying to optimize for. As always, I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you next time!